I have a crazy challenge ahead. I need to pack all this stuff into my backpack. Now, I do like traditional luggage, but for a trip like this, we've been in Thailand for 2 weeks, we've been taking domestic flights and going to islands, going to big cities, so having the backpack has really been essential and been awesome to be able to just have all my stuff on my person and then I don't have to worry about it. I've now acquired souvenirs, and even that mini backpack from Decathlon is also full of t-shirts and things that I bought at the night markets. So I'm gonna see if I can get all of this into that backpack. It's only 50 liters, but in theory it should work. So let's see and give it a go.